Oh, hello there, everybody. It's Topolino here. Oh, it's been a little bright out. Oh, the sun's out finally. As remnants of the snowstorm. Bright blue skies. It's a beautiful January 16th out. Bright blue skies. Nothing can ruin this day. Especially after that snowstorm. It's probably, I don't know if it's technically a storm, but yeah, it's technically a class of storm. Have you guys ever heard of a thunder snow? A thunder, a winter storm that produces thunder and lightning in the middle of the winter? Yeah, Calgary gets those, and then in the Great Lake region, and then Ontario does too. It's beautiful. It's nice and peaceful out here. I mean, it ain't that windy out here anymore. I don't know. Might check the radar. But yeah, beautiful crystal blue skies. Beautiful. There's a light turquoise over there. And even a little cyan. That's right, clouds. Keep moving. Get out of here. Thank you very much. Because we want this day to be nice and sunny out. Careful now. There's ice right there. Shit. Oh, all the snow is sticky and stuff. It's because it's like +3 out here. And sooner it's gonna be -20 on the weekends. Yeah, there's the storm. There's the cloud. Main storm. There's it going. It's headed northwest, I think. Northwest. Perfect. And don't you ever come back here again, storm. We had enough snow already. Might have more soon, I guess. Might be a second system of storms coming. Or storms. I meant snowstorms coming in. Okay. Breathe in that beautiful January air. Oh, yeah. This is the stuff. Beautiful. Sayonara. Snowstorm. That's the stuff. You crazy cat. You understand? Yeah, you're kind of acting a little stubborn here, you know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this aftermath video of the snowstorm, I guess, today. Make sure you subscribe to ZBS2234 for more content like this. This is me, Topolino, and he's out.